Hello friends, you watch these videos. Today I am going to tell you how you can convert your simple video into an animated video. Let's start without delay. For this you have to come to LensGo AI. So we search on our browser LensGo AI. Then we will click on this first website. Now friends, after coming here we will click on login, and then by clicking on continue with Google we will log in here. By the way friends, you can also generate images and videos here, but let us first see how to convert our normal video into animated video. And friends, here you get 50 points per day. So to convert our normal video into animated video, we click on style transfer here. Friends, from here you can select different styles which include Pixar, 90s 3D game and many more styles. For example, I will select Ghibli. Indeed, observe that the utmost limit is 16 seconds, indicating you can convert up to 16 seconds of video daily, with the largest portion generated at once being 5 seconds. Therefore, if your video spans 15 or 16 seconds, divide it into 3 segments. Either 5 videos each 5 seconds long, and 1 additional video of 6 seconds, or 3 videos each 5 seconds long. Consequently, I'll proceed to upload a video by selecting this option. Friends, it will take about 1 minute for the video to be uploaded. And when our video is uploaded, after that we will click on generate video here, and it will use our 15 points. And after this friends, it will generate our video after about 2 to 3 minutes, and here is our video. Let's play. Friends, I would like to tell you that I needed this tool. Comment and tell me how did you like this AI generated video. Therefore my companions, let us endeavor to create this identical video but in an alternate fashion. Again we will upload the video by clicking here. Then in style, we will select Pixar. After that, when our video is uploaded, we will click on generate. And then after waiting for a few minutes, it has generated our video. Here is our video. Friends, your content creator, I would like to tell you that I make as many thumbnails as I can. Apart from this friends, you can also generate images and videos by writing text here. By the way friends, do you know about the 5 most powerful AI tools? If not, then definitely click on the video on the left, and if you find this video informative, then like, comment and definitely subscribe to the channel. Be the part of my journey. Thank you so much for watching.